Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to heal your gut, reduce inflammation and lose weight, whether you've had bariatric surgery or not, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of gut-friendly, anti-inflammatory meals that are not only nourishing, but also easy to prepare. Plus, stick around until the end because I'll be sharing a special resource to make meal planning even simpler for you. Before we jump into our recipes, let's quickly talk about why gut health is so crucial. Inflammation in the gut can cause bloating, discomfort, acid reflux, and even make weight loss harder. The good news? By eating the right foods, you can calm inflammation, improve digestion, and boost your metabolism. Today, I'll be showing you meals designed for anyone, whether you've had bariatric surgery or you're simply looking to lose weight in a healthy way. A successful meal plan includes a balance of lean proteins, fiber-rich vegetables, and healthy fats. Let's break it down into 3 simple meals for the day: a nourishing breakfast, a satisfying lunch, and a delicious dinner, all designed to support gut health. Let's start the day with an anti-inflammatory, protein-packed smoothie that's easy to digest and gentle on the stomach, perfect for those following a bariatric diet. This smoothie is packed with nutrients that fight inflammation, support digestion, and keep you full longer, perfect for weight management. Next up, we have a light yet satisfying lunch: lemon herb chicken served with fiber-rich quinoa and steamed vegetables. This dish is packed with protein and fiber to keep you full and support digestion, without causing bloating or acid reflux. Plus, it's super easy to prep for the whole week. For dinner, let's go for something light and soothing, perfect for reducing inflammation and easing digestion. This ginger and carrot soup is full of gut-friendly ingredients. This soup is not only easy to digest, but also incredibly healing for your gut. The ginger helps reduce bloating and inflammation, while the carrots provide essential nutrients for your immune system. When planning your meals, remember, focus on lean proteins to maintain muscle and aid digestion. Incorporate fiber-rich vegetables to support gut bacteria. Use healthy fats like olive oil and avocado to reduce inflammation. Avoid processed sugars and fried foods that trigger gut issues. Following these simple principles will not only help you lose weight, but will also keep your gut happy and healthy. If you found these recipes helpful and want more delicious gut-friendly meal ideas, I have something special for you. Click the link below to get your hands on my exclusive collection of bariatric-friendly, anti-inflammatory recipes and meal plans. Whether you've had weight loss surgery or just want to eat healthier and feel better, these meals are designed for sustainable weight loss and optimal digestion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Let me know in the comments which recipe you're excited to try first. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.